Today, we're going to learn a new unit, Unit 5, about forces and magnetism. Lesson 5.1, Gravity, Normal Forces, and Applied Forces. Question 1, what type of diagram is this? So, this diagram shows forces. Force A and force B. It's hard to draw. Question 2. So, because it shows forces, this is a force diagram. Question 2. Name force A. So force A is pointing down to the ground. So the force is gravity. Force A is gravity. Question 3. Is force A a pulling force or a pushing force? So gravity pulls everything downwards to the center of the earth. And it doesn't push away. So force A is a pulling force. Question 4. Name force B. Force B points up on the opposite side of gravity. So it is the normal force of the table. So force B is the normal force of the table, pushing against the gravity. Or it could be a chair, because that doesn't really look like a table. Is force B a pulling force or a pushing force? Well, if force B was a pulling force, it would be pulling downwards. But no, it is pointing, the force is pointing upwards. So it is a pushing force. Question 6. Look at the picture. Complete these sentences about the picture. Marcus, the cricket ball. This is on something force. So, you can see here that Marcus just hit it the cricket ball. So it's Marcus hit the cricket ball. And this is an applied force because Marcus applied it. Marcus applied the force of the hit to the cricket ball. Question 7. Make this drawing into a force diagram. Draw two forces acting on the lizard. Show the direction the forces are working. Label each force. So there are two forces acting on the lizard. The first one is pushing down, and it is gravity. And the other force is pushing upwards against the lizard. Against gravity, which is the normal force. Question 8. Which picture, A or B, shows a pulling force? So picture A, so this person is trying to pull the weight up. So the picture that shows a pulling force is picture A. And the other picture, picture B, shows the same person but trying to lift the weight, pushing the weight upwards. So it's picture B. C. Explain why both pictures show an applied force. So in picture A, the applied force is this person pulling the weight towards him to try and lift the weight. And picture B shows him applying the force upwards, pushing the weight upwards into the air, so lifting the weight. Those two forces are both applied forces because that person applied it to the weight. Challenge. Question 9. Draw a force diagram to show the two forces acting on a box on a table. Remember to draw arrows to show the direction the forces are acting, and label the forces. So we'll draw a simple table, and then here is the box. So the forces are gravity, and again, normal force. And we have to label them. So the top one is gravity pushing the box downwards. And the other one is normal force. So that's the force diagram complete. Question 10. In each of the following pictures A and B, describe what the person is doing. Identify the force as a push or a pull force, or both. Explain why it is an applied force. So, in picture A, the person is trying to push the wheel car. So, this is a push force. And he is applying the pushing force to the cart to make it go. And he is also using his legs to move himself. So that is why it's an applied force. In picture B, a person is trying to rake the leaves, maybe in his garden. He is using both forces. One force is pushing this thing, pushing the rake into the leaves. And once he pushes it into the leaves, he pulls it back towards him. Because he doesn't want to push it forever, or maybe just making it stuck in the ground with the leaves. And he is applying the force to the rake to rake the leaves in his garden. So we finished those. That's the end of this lesson. Thank you and goodbye.